Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, I'm going to be installing a Westinghouse ceiling fan light kit in the antique brass finish paired with the frosted ribbed glass shade onto an existing ceiling fan. The fan didn't originally have a light installed, so I'll be removing the base cap, wiring in the light kit, and reattaching everything cleanly and safely. Before starting any electrical work, it's always a good idea to turn the power off at the breaker. This ceiling fan is designed to accept a light kit, even though one wasn't installed originally. I'm removing the bottom base cap, which gives access to the factory wiring inside the fan housing. I'll also be removing this plastic center insert to make room for the light kit wiring. Most ceiling fans are pre-wired for a light, which makes upgrades like this very straightforward. Now I'll connect the light kit wiring to the fan's internal wiring. I'm using a wire stripper to snip and clean up the wire ends, then twisting the strands clockwise so the wire nuts tighten securely. Typically, the blue wire from the fan is the hot wire that controls the light, and the white wire serves as the neutral. So the black wire from the light kit connects to the blue wire, and the white wire connects to the white. Once everything is connected, the wires are secured with wire nuts, turn clockwise, and I give each connection a gentle pull test to make sure it's secured before tucking everything back into the housing. Once the wiring is complete, the light kit mounts directly to the fan using the included screws. The antique brass finish matches the fan nicely and gives it a classic period correct look. Next, I'll install the frosted ribbed glass shade. It attaches using the 3 mounting screws, and I'll snug them down evenly, being careful not to over tighten since the glass is fragile. Now I'll install the LED bulbs that came with our kit, threading them in by hand and snugging them down. And then I'll restore power at the breaker and test the light. I think this ceiling fan light kit turned out very well and looks really nice. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.